Hey guys, it's me again, Tala, and I'm going to show you what is my favorite feature on Aion Teams, and that's the mood sharing feature. Mood sharing really helps to bring teams close together in a number of ways, and this is especially the case if your team is distributed, meaning some of you are remote, some of you are in office, or some of you are out in the field. Mood sharing not only helps to have important conversations about satisfaction and even performance, but ultimately it creates a sense of empathy, psychological safety, and it's a really great way to also just meaningfully check in with your teams. We found in our daily stand-ups that when we share our moods, it's an opportunity for those of us who are feeling down to ask for help from those who might be feeling more energized or happy. And it's just a good way to have these open, transparent conversations about how everyone's really feeling. The mood feature is really easy to use. You have your calendar broken up into your different workspaces, and as mentioned previously, everybody in your organization will have access to this. We have the mood key on the bottom right-hand corner with different moods varying across the spectrum. You can select if you're feeling calm, energized, maybe you're feeling a little bit worried or disappointed, or my most popular mood, as you guys can see here, optimistic. You'll be prompted every morning via email to share how you're feeling today. You'll also get a second email later on in the afternoon asking how your day's been going. Over time, you'll be able to see how you started and ended your day, and you can look closely and see if any of these variances in your moods have any impact on your performance or have any correlation to potentially big events at work. The way that you can set your mood is quite simple. Here it says, this is how I've started my day, because I've actually already gone in and put that I'm feeling pretty optimistic today. But when you go in and you edit that, your mood's already been set. But when you select it, you can also add details. As you can see, I didn't add any notes. But please keep in mind, these notes are going to be public to everybody else. So if you do include a note as to how you're feeling, just make sure that you're happy to have everybody else on your team know what that is. We typically have a moment in our daily stand-up where we all go over our moods and say how we're feeling today, with a couple of sentences explaining why. There's many different ways you can do it, and for those of you who are joining us on our Aion journey, we'll be sharing resources on how you can have these conversations and facilitate meaningful discussions about how your team is really feeling. Happy collaborating! I'll see you guys soon.